Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech Check Reviews. Today we are going to be reviewing the batteries for the Holystone HS100 GPS drone. So, to start off, as you can see, I have two new batteries. If you haven't seen my first video, go check it out. It's about the drone itself and the transmitter and the battery. So, out of these three batteries, only two of them are actually from the Holystone brand. One of them is actually from a different brand called SJRC. They make a drone very similar to the HS100, and their battery is exactly the same. The only difference are the charging cables. The batteries look absolutely the same. There's no difference that I could find in them. The charging cables look a little bit different. This is the SJRC, while this is the Holystone brand. The drone originally only came with one battery, which is kind of sad because it takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge and it only has about a 12 to 15 minute flight time. I had a problem with the battery that the company sent me and I contacted them and they willingly sent me a new one. I was very satisfied with their service. I do recommend their service. If you have a question or you just want to talk to them about something, I definitely would contact them about it. They're super nice, and they sent me a new one for free, and they also let me keep the old one. I have a third one because I ordered my own off of SJRC. Their drone has the same battery, and it works on both of them just fine. I tried it, and it did indeed work. And so don't be worried if you get one of these instead of one of these, because they both work with your drone. If you haven't watched my original video about this drone, then you might be wondering what this is. This is an explosion-proof case that the company sends with the drone to charge your batteries in. It comes with a warning card, and also in the instructions it will say, make sure to always charge your battery in here. Probably a safe idea since it is a big battery, and if it explodes, it might cause some damage. Now that I have three, I might need to get a new one, since all of them are filling up the space inside. If I get any more batteries, then I'll probably get a new one. But if you don't have one of these, then you probably should get it just to be safe. Well, that's all guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't seen my original video on this drone, please go check it out. Subscribe to my channel if you like videos about drones and cool tech. I'll try and get some more products to review soon. Also, please like the video if you liked it, if it was helpful to you. And thanks for watching, guys. See you later.